Seeing white smoke from your car's exhaust on startup can be worrying, but it's not always a sign of disaster. The key to understanding it lies in the smoke color, thickness, and smell, and how long it lasts. Let's have a look at some of the common types and see what is causing them. Well, the first smoke type is where you have normal steam. This is where you have thin, wispy, and it dissipates quickly, and when there is no strong smell. This is the appearance and smell of a normal steam. It's basically a harmless condensation burning off in the exhaust system, very common especially on cold morning. So if you happen to have this, then this is normal. There is nothing to worry about. No action is required from your side. But if it is thick, white, and if it lingers in the air, often has a sweet smell, that is a serious one. That is basically coolant smoke. This is caused by a coolant leaking into the engine's combustion chamber, usually due to a blown head gasket, a cracked cylinder head, or a cracked engine block. So this is very much troubling. Don't ignore it if you have this type of trouble. Have a mechanic look into the engine immediately to prevent severe engine damage, which can lead to costly repair. So if you have very thick white smoke, and if that smoke lingers in the air and don't dissipate quickly, that is an indication of coolant burning. That is an issue to be worried about. The other is oil related problem. If you have white or light blue tinted smoke with an oily smell, if you have some acrid smell, that is oil burning inside the combustion chamber. If oil is burning inside the engine, it could be due to worn valve seal, it could be due to worn piston rings, or on some models it could be due to oil air separator. Now, in order to pinpoint this, go ahead and monitor oil level and have it checked, and that is basically an early sign of engine wear. So if you have some bluish white smoke, that is basically an indication of oil burning inside the combustion chamber. So these two are the ones to worry about. If you have very thick white, and if it has a bluish tint, blue color, that is an indication of trouble. Now, in order to investigate, all you have to do is just observe the color of the smoke. Observe the behavior, the appearance, and the smell. Is it thin? Is it wispy vapor that disappears quickly, or is it thick, dense cloud that hangs in the air? Does it smell? Does it smell sweet, or does it smell like burning oil? That can help you pinpoint what is causing it. If it has a sweet smell, it is coolant related problem. If it has an oily smell, it is oil leaking into the combustion chamber. Then, in order to confirm, go ahead and check the coolant and the oil inside your engine. When the engine is cold, check your coolant reservoir and engine oil dipstick. If the coolant level is dropping with no visible leak, or if your oil looks like a thick milkshake, that is a major red flag. If coolant mixes into the engine oil, that will produce a milkshake appearance. That is definitely red flag that can lead to engine overhauling. It's a very serious issue. Some engine types are known for a puff of oil smoke on startup, like older Fiat engines. You see a puff of smoke coming out of the exhaust, and it can be considered normal wear. However, thick white coolant smoke is never normal. That has to be taken seriously. There is a test that you can go ahead and perform, the overnight test we call it. If you suspect a coolant leak, try leaving the car at a mechanic shop overnight. A cold start in the morning is often the only time this smoke appears, as the coolant has time to leak into the cylinder while the engine is off. So the mechanic can confirm if it has gradual coolant leak into the combustion chamber or not. Now, if the smoke is thick, if you have white, and if the smoke lingers, then it's definitely time to go ahead and check your engine and take it to a professional. Continuing to drive with a coolant leak can lead to catastrophic engine failure, which is far more expensive to fix than a head gasket or a cylinder head. It is also important to note that in diesel engines, white smoke can sometimes be caused by unburned fuel due to injection timing related problems or some type of injector related problems rather than coolant. A mechanic will be able to run a proper diagnostic test to pinpoint exactly what is causing that white smoke. So those are some of the things that you need to take into consideration if you happen to notice white smoke coming from your engine during startup. Well, dear viewers, that is all we have for you regarding white smoke during startup. If you find this video helpful and if you enjoy what has been presented, don't forget to smash the like button. If you are new to this channel, go ahead, turn on notifications so that you will be the first to get notified. Subscribe to the channel and let your friends have this video. Share it with friends so that you can benefit from the video also. Well, that is all we have for you in this video. We'll hope to see you in another video. Until then, drive safe.